Hello everyone, welcome to Chrome Tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we fix sound issue in Google Chrome. So if you are facing an issue that you are not hearing proper sounds from your websites in the Chrome browser, then how are you gonna fix this issue? This is what we will see in this video. So the tutorial is going to be pretty simple and straightforward. Without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So for the first step, what you need to do is open up your Chrome browser, then click on these three dotted icons on the top right corner, go to settings. This will open up the Chrome settings page. Here you can customize everything related to Chrome, its appearance, its settings, and everything that you want. So in the left panel you will see this option of privacy and security. Let's just click into it. Here you will find an option of site settings. Go into that. In the site settings, if you just scroll down, you will find additional content settings in this content category. So let's just click on additional content settings. The first option that we are getting over here is sound, and we are having sites can play sound. So let's just click onto this. Make sure that sites can play sound is enabled, otherwise the sites won't be able to play sounds. Right now if you just scroll down a little bit, then you can see someone has added YouTube to not allow to play the sound, which is kind of weird. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this site. So if you see any of the sites which you think should be able to play sound but are in the not allowed category, then what you should do, click on these three dots, click on remove, and then the not allowed sites are removed. That means now YouTube can also play sound. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.